Hi, my name is Marcelo Ciro. I am a sound designer and a re-recording mixer partner of We Can Do Audio Post and teacher at Music Beat School. And today we're gonna deconstruct some effects. This movie is The Boy and the World from Ale Abreu. This movie was nominated to Academy Awards of Best Animation Movie. Some effects of this movie was created to be the boy perspective. I will show you a train effect. This video has two parts. The first one, it's a train. The second one, it's a big machine. Let's go to the first one. This train is a train that the boy's father takes and leave his family behind. You can hear that the ambience also helps the emotion of this scene. Pay attention that the bugs give us a sensation that something will happen. Let's hear it. Let's hear only the effects. I will solo some effects till you see what's going on. The train is playing some whistles, playing short notes. Also, together with a real train effect and some metal shaking, together with some musical instruments, give us the speed of this train. Here, only the whistles. Here, a real train effect, with a verify. Here is a mix down of some instruments with a metal shaking. Only this steam effect, together with a didgeridoo. A horn with a delay. And some metal impact with rhythm. And a didgeridoo. Let's hear the whole scene again, and please click on the link to see the second part of the machine effect.